In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove the Snipping Tool app on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in apps. Best results should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right side in search this list, go ahead and search for Snipping Tool. Best result should come back with the snipping tool. Go ahead and select it and then select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall to confirm. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt on that. And then you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect here. There you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.